Great tip for you today. If you build a lot of decks or gazebos or porches, you're running into something called crown in the wood. Don't freak out. That's common. Don't go through a whole bunk of lumber at your building supply store trying to find a board that doesn't have crown in it. Crown is this. You see this 5/4 board? I have it attached at the other end like it's supposed to be, but look at the gap that creates. That's because there's crown or a curve in the board. You need something to pull it up, and in some cases you'll have crown that is way out here that's virtually impossible to pull up with your own strength. This is something new that I've fallen in love with. It's great. It's called a bow wrench. Now what this is for is to pull the crown out of a board. If you look down the edge of a board, you'll see a hump in it from one end to the other. If you look at it flat, you'll see a curve in it. Again, that's common, and that's the crown. Now what the bow wrench does, these two pegs that are welded onto the tube fit over the joist. You fit it right over just like this. Then the cam here fits up against the side of your 5/4 board or your 2x6 or whatever you're using. You get it right where you need it. Put a little closer. You see this gap, how it's pulling up? Look at this. And the thing I like best about the bow wrench is that you can lock it in place just like that, and it stays put. Then all you have to do is use, in fact, I'm going to pull that up a little tighter, like that. All you have to do is use your square drive screws, in my case, with the screw gun, fasten it in place.